Hi, I'm Jonathan with Pack Leader USA, and today we're going to be talking about the ELF-20 tabletop labeler. We'll be discussing the label head and how it adjusts both horizontally and vertically, the conveyor which brings your product into the label head to be labeled, the touch panel controls which controls the entire operation of the machine, the leveling pads to level the machine, the different options between using a generic table or using the Pack Leader cart that is designed specifically for the ELF series equipment and bolt to the cart to keep it secure. If you've purchased the optional ELF series cabinet, it'll come pre-installed on your ELF machine. Once you get it in place where you want it, you'll lower your leveling pads down onto the floor, take a wrench, and then you'll level it out the rest of the way. We do have set nuts. You'll raise those up to tighten it to keep your leveling pads in place and keep your machine from moving. The most important aspect of your ELF series equipment is to make sure that you supply good, clean 110 power that's on a dedicated 15 amp outlet. This ensures a prolonged life for each one of your components in the control panel. To go through the control panel, I'll name each one of these specifically. We've got our power supply, which supplies the 24 volt to our sensors. We've got the transformer, which takes 110 and steps it up to 220 for the motors that operate off 220. Our VFD that controls the conveyor. Our stepper drive that controls the stepper motor on the label head. Our PCB board, which controls the entire machine, LCD display, and the touch panel. The on-off button and the e-stop.